Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add barcodes to products in Shopify. This is incredibly useful for tracking inventory, managing stock levels, and streamlining your order fulfillment process. Let's dive right in and get your products properly labeled with barcodes. First, you'll need to navigate to shopify.com and log in to your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your store's admin account, as you'll need full access to modify product details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage, which is your central hub for managing everything related to your online store. From the homepage, direct your attention to the left side of the screen, where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Products. This section houses all of your store's inventory and is where you'll spend most of your time when managing what you sell. The Products page will display a complete list of all items currently available in your store. Now go ahead and click on any product from your list. This will open up the detailed product page where you can edit various aspects of that particular item. Scroll down until you find the inventory section. This area contains all the stock-related information for your product. Within this section, click on Barcode. You'll notice a barcode field appears ready for you to input your unique product identifier. In this barcode field, type in the barcode number you want to assign to this product. This could be a UPC, EAN, ISBN, or any other standard barcode format your business uses. Once you've entered the barcode, look at the top of the page and click the Save button. This ensures your changes are stored in Shopify's system. Give it a moment to process and save your updates. Now let's tackle adding barcodes to products that have variants, which is slightly different but just as straightforward. Go back to the Products page by clicking Products in the left navigation menu again. This time, click on a product that has variants, such as different sizes, colors, or styles. These products require individual barcodes for each variant to maintain accurate inventory tracking. Once you've opened the product with variants, scroll down to find the Variants section. This area lists all the different versions of your product. Click on any variant from the list. Again, locate the Inventory section for this specific variant and click on Barcode. The same barcode field will appear, allowing you to input a unique identifier for this particular variant. Type in the barcode for this variant and click the Save button at the top of the page. Each variant needs its own distinct barcode, so don't skip this step. Now repeat this process for the other variants. Click on another variant from the list, find the Inventory section, click Barcode, input a different barcode, and click Save at the top. Continue this process for each remaining variant until all your product variations have their own unique barcodes assigned. This systematic approach ensures complete inventory accuracy across your entire product line. And that's it. You've successfully added barcodes to both simple products and products with variants in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.